Hello people. Luke is currently in there having a wank. Probably to some mad porn. I've heard the sounds coming out of that bathroom. It's no. Anyway, this is a vlog from Croatia. I've got no microphone, I've got literally nothing apart from a camera. This shit quality that you're seeing now, but it doesn't matter. It worked for the Magaluf video. That's our best video so far. Even though it was just a bunch of videos put together that we just found in our camera roll. But this time we're gonna actually try and layer it out a little bit. Try and make this a big video, like a fatter video, so we can make better content for you and see what people actually like. However, we are busy a lot of the time. Well, at least I am, and that doesn't mean that I can always just be whipping out the camera and just start filming. Especially with, at some point, there's gonna be like 12, 13 people with us. So I can't just be doing that. But when it's me and Luca, we're gonna be filming and we're gonna be saying things. We're gonna be showing you Croatia, the islands of Split, which is much nicer than any other part of Croatia, trust me, I know. Been for 7 years. It's better than Dubrovnik, it's better than the other places. Go to Split if you want to go to Croatia. So currently the plan is to be in this hotel in Bol, is the name of the place, for 3 days. We've already stayed 1 day, so just 2 more nights. And then we're gonna go to our villa in Sumartin, which is on the same island. But yeah, that's a much nicer than this hotel. This hotel's nice, but the villa is what we're really here for, and that's why we go every single year.
Okay. Cheers, thank you.
Okay, once again, I don't know how well you can hear me, but this is basically our private beach port, and this is the bay behind me. As you can see, it is complete luxury to be here, and to have this much space, such a limited amount of villas and people around you, is completely a luxury, especially now Croatia is very popular. Anyway, this is the beach port, and I'm going to show you around our villa, which you can see behind me. Okay, you can hear the crickets now as well, but this is the view. Nice little seats here, ocean, get a lovely tan. Annoying neighbours that are obviously English, and then another room across this balcony, and then you've got like a kind of sitting area for fun. But the best thing about our room is being able to see over the scenery. Once again, that is where the value is at. That's a bird's eye view of the pool with that thing there shooting out water. There's a jet stream, the suntan there. You can get suntans in the morning there when the sun is shining on that bit. Have a beautiful view of the ocean, even getting a massage there. 2 nice little seats there, and the porch which I was just at. But yeah, this is our incredible view, with the other room also having the exact same outlook. Welcome to our room. Here we have, oh, sorry about that.
An assortment of our shirts. Mine, Max's. Here, got all our stuff. Sunglasses, sports clothes, hoodies, Max's stuff. Got pillows up here, shirts, sunglasses, shorts, all that there. Here, toilet, bathroom, shower, window. Oh, fuck. It opens.
You can smoke cannabis also over here. And then we got the aftershave collection. We got Acqua di Pomo, Versace, Mr. Burberry, and Jean Paul Cartier. We got anti-deodorant sprays, aloe vera, and we got a charcoal wash because I take care of myself. What we got over here? Oh.
It's all in here because I couldn't be asked to fucking take it out. I've got my sun cream.
Yeah, come on. You're not gonna tan till you need it.
Oh, no, fuck that. I'm white as shit. Our 2 beds.
Yeah, all the action happens here.
Well,
Fucking hell, it's messy as
you're
shit.
gonna show your side.
Oh yeah, mine's actually yeah, no, actually yeah. But
Welcome to the open space. Here, we have a nice, actually not very comfortable chair.
what the fuck is this?
No, it looks like
the
a stroller.
Hey mate, you got the fucking view.
Girls' room, can't go in there. Outside is, well, outside. Downstairs is downstairs. Follow me. On my right, you'll find the games room. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Oh, it's in here. It's actually a really nice room. Play some football. What a goal.
You've got fucking bean bags, random Donnies with moths on their faces, and a fat fucking TV, and then just some random fucking photos that just have no worth at all. But then we got a fucking cave over here.
Oh, wait.
Where you can just like fucking grow like cannabis and shit. These 2 rooms have people occupied, so we'll leave them for now. Right, as we come down the 4 steps, we have the gym, alcohol cellar. I'll show you what's in here. It's dark, but got Aperol spritz and a bunch of different kind of booze. That just keeps us excited throughout the night. Anyway, Peloton bike, ride machine, weights back there, and these fucking bubble things. And then if we go over here into the toilet, it's just a random toilet here for no reason. And behind me is the sauna where Luca is. That has got to be the best feature. I'm gonna use that to sweat out every single chemical in my body. As we approach the living room, this is the main area. Fat drinks table, pre-drinks all over there. Lounge, chessboard there. Nice little pictures and stuff, fruit. All of the equipment you need. And the most important machine, the coffee machine. Over here, we have even more booze because that's what we're on. We've got this thing called blueberry cider. Never drunk it till now and I fucking love it. And then we got other shit over here. We are packed. As we come out of the air-conditioned room, reach the pool area, which you've seen from the bird's eye. But this is nice to have drinks late at night. Because there's no breeze, there's nothing like that bothering you. And you can go for a late night swim in the pool, or the sea, or get in the pool and look at the sea. Then there's a bunch of utility rooms all around. The grill for catching any fish we catch down there and then cooking them up, and a furnace as well as a tap. Then all your bits and bobs in here. This has actually changed a lot since I've last seen it. But wetsuits, all that bollocks, fucking brush, yeah. And then yeah, just like all of Epstein's children just in here on certain days. And yeah, here is the space, view in the ocean. Absolutely fucking lovely.